Hey everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of your go-to place for the fascinating, mind-blowing stories behind the science that affects our lives. And today, we're talking about a discovery that's so big, it rewrites what we thought we knew about life itself. And today, we're about to go on a microscopic journey, billions of years in the making. What if I told you that bacteria, those tiny invisible organisms living on your skin, in your gut, even in your kitchen sink, have been shaping the story of life on Earth long before any plant or animal ever appeared? Well, buckle up, because what scientists have just discovered might totally rewrite our timeline of evolution. There are roughly 1 trillion species of microorganisms on Earth. Yeah, trillion, with the vast majority being bacteria. These single-celled organisms don't leave bones or fossils. So tracking their history has always been a little like solving a mystery without clues. Until now. Thanks to an incredible new study published in Science, researchers are using machine learning, yes, AI, to help fill in the gaps. And what they've uncovered, it's nothing short of groundbreaking. Roughly 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was, well, a mess. After a massive cosmic collision that created the moon, the surface was molten. If life had existed before that, it was wiped out like a clean slate. But life found a way. Microbes emerged. And for the next 80% of Earth's history, they were the only residents. No humans, no animals, just microbes doing their thing, adapting, evolving, surviving. Now here's where it gets fascinating. A particular group of bacteria, called cyanobacteria, developed a skill that changed everything: photosynthesis. They could harvest energy from sunlight. Sounds harmless, right? But there was a catch. Photosynthesis released a byproduct, oxygen. And believe it or not, back then, oxygen was poison. It triggered what scientists call the Great Oxidation event about 2.4 billion years ago. Earth's atmosphere changed. Many microbes couldn't handle it and died off. Others, they evolved or retreated into dark, oxygen-free corners of the planet. Here's the twist. Using AI, scientists trained a model to detect whether a bacterium used oxygen based on its genes. Kinda like looking at a bacterial family tree and asking, hey, were your ancestors oxygen breathers? And guess what they found? Some bacteria were using oxygen almost 1 billion years before Earth had an oxygen-rich atmosphere. Even more mind-blowing? Cyanobacteria may have used oxygen before they even invented photosynthesis. Yeah, that flips the script on what we thought we knew. So what does this mean? It's a powerful reminder that evolution doesn't follow a straight line. Life adapts in ways we're only just beginning to understand. It also shows how tech, like AI and machine learning, isn't just for self-driving cars or viral memes. It's becoming an essential tool in decoding the very origins of life. And in a time when we're still learning to navigate pandemics, emerging viruses, and environmental change, understanding how life adapted in the past might just help us figure out how to survive the future. Thanks for tuning in to first episode of Health Bulletin podcast. If this story gave you chills, or just made you think differently about that yogurt in your fridge, be sure to follow, share, and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. We've got more mind-bending stories like this, so stay tuned.